Hey everyone, welcome to QuizRampUp, your spot for fun and tricky quizzes. Today, we've got an exciting challenge for you. Guess the logo sound. You'll listen the sound, and your job is to guess the logo which it belongs to as fast as you can. Some will be super easy, and some might really test your brain. So get ready, play along, and see how many logo you can guess correctly.
Which logo matches this sound? Superb, it's Nokia. What brand does this sound represent? Amazing McDonald's. Can you identify this logo by its sound? Great job, it's Netflix. Identify the logo by its sound. It's Super Mario. Which logo does it belong to? You rock, Cocomelon. What logo matches this sound? Twentieth Century Fox. Which logo is this? Hats off to you, Burger King. Identify the brand by listening to this sound. Awesome, it's HBO. Listen carefully to this sound. Which logo does it belong to? Impressive, it's Among Us. There's one mismatched emoji. Can you find it? Here's the mismatched one. Check out the next one. Guess this logo. Wonderful. It's KFC. What logo is this? It's Cartoon Network. Which brand is represented by this sound?
Hands in the crowd, we tearing it down.
Excellent job, it's Pepsi.
Hands in the crowd, we tearing it down.
Can you identify this logo by its sound? Great job, it's Discord. Which logo matches this sound? You're correct. The answer is Coca-Cola. What logo matches this sound? Nicely done, it's TikTok. What logo is this? It's Skittles.
Taste the rain.
Thank you for watching QuizRampUp channel. For more such interesting video, please subscribe our channel.